Hello, everyone! Today, we're diving into the heart of Louisiana, cooking with a recipe that's as vibrant and flavorful as the region itself, the Cajun crab boil. This isn't just a meal, it's an experience, a celebration of fresh seafood, bold spices, and good company. Imagine a table overflowing with succulent crab, juicy sausage, tender potatoes, and sweet corn, all infused with the fiery kick of Cajun spices. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water. The beauty of the Cajun crab boil lies in its simplicity. It's a dish best enjoyed outdoors, with newspaper-covered tables and plenty of napkins. Gather your loved ones, roll up your sleeves, and get ready for a finger-licking feast. Let's get started. Before we embark on our culinary journey, let's gather our ingredients. This recipe is all about fresh, high-quality ingredients that will shine through the Cajun seasoning. Crab, the star of the show. Choose live blue crabs for the most authentic flavor. Sausage andouille sausage, with its smoky and spicy notes, is a classic choice. Potatoes, small red potatoes hold their shape well during cooking. Corn, fresh sweet corn, adds a touch of sweetness to balance the spices. Lemons, their bright acidity cuts through the richness of the seafood. Garlic adds a pungent aroma and depth of flavor. Cajun seasoning, the heart and soul of the dish, infusing every ingredient with its signature heat. Bay leaves, for a subtle, earthy flavor. Now that we have our ingredients prepped, let's move on to the cooking process. The key to a successful Cajun crab boil is layering the flavors. Each ingredient adds its own unique touch, creating a symphony of tastes that dance on your palate. We'll start by creating a flavorful base in our stock pot, which will serve as the foundation for our dish. Then add the ingredients in stages, allowing each component to cook to perfection. This method ensures that every bite is packed with flavor. The boiling base. Fill a large stock pot with water generously seasoned with Cajun seasoning, salt, and bay leaves. These spices will create a robust and aromatic broth. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil. The intense heat will help to extract the full essence of the spices. This flavorful broth will infuse our seafood and vegetables with incredible taste, making every bite a delight. Potatoes and corn. First, add the potatoes and corn to the boiling water. These hearty vegetables need more time to cook and absorb the rich flavors of the broth. These require a longer cooking time to soften and absorb the flavors. Be patient, as this step is crucial for achieving the perfect texture. Sausage time. After about 10 minutes, add the andouille sausage to the pot. The sausage will add a smoky, savory depth to the broth. The sausage will release its savory juices into the broth, further enhancing the overall taste. This step is essential for a well-rounded flavor profile. Crab grand entrance. Finally, add the crabs to the boiling cauldron. These will be the star of our dish. The crabs will cook quickly, turning a vibrant orange as they're ready. This color change is a visual cue that they are perfectly cooked. While our Cajun feast is bubbling away, let's prepare a dipping sauce that will take this meal to the next level. A good sauce can elevate the flavors and add a delightful contrast. Section 4. The Cajun butter sauce. Dipping into deliciousness. No Cajun crab boil is complete without a decadent butter sauce for dipping. This sauce is the heart and soul of the dish, bringing all the flavors together in a harmonious blend. This simple yet irresistible sauce adds a touch of richness and another layer of flavor to our seafood and vegetables. It's the perfect companion to the bold spices of the crab boil. First, melting the base. In a saucepan, melt butter over low heat. This step is crucial as it forms the foundation of our sauce. The gentle heat will prevent the butter from burning, ensuring a smooth and creamy texture. Next, garlic infusion. Add minced garlic to the melted butter and cook until fragrant. This step infuses the butter with a deep, savory aroma. The garlic will release its aroma into the butter, creating a flavorful base for our sauce. The scent alone will make your mouth water. Then, Cajun kick stir in Cajun seasoning, lemon juice, and a pinch of cayenne pepper for an extra kick. These ingredients add a zesty and spicy dimension to the sauce. The lemon juice will add a touch of brightness to the rich butter sauce, balancing the flavors perfectly. Finally, simmer and serve. Let the sauce simmer for a few minutes to allow the flavors to meld. This step is essential for achieving the perfect consistency. The sauce will thicken slightly as it simmers, becoming even more luscious and rich. With our Cajun butter sauce ready, let's move on to serving our Cajun masterpiece. This sauce will elevate your dish to a whole new level of deliciousness. Section 5, serving your Cajun masterpiece, tips for a memorable meal. The Cajun crab boil is all about embracing a casual and communal dining experience. First, newspaper tablecloth. Spread newspaper over your table for an authentic touch. This is not just practical, it adds to the fun and festive atmosphere. Then, serve it up. Drain the crab boil and pour it out onto the table. The sight of this colorful feast will surely whet everyone's appetite. And of course, don't forget the sauce. Offer small bowls of the Cajun butter sauce for dipping. Encourage everyone to dig in with their hands. It's the best way to enjoy this messy and delicious meal. But wait, there's more. Let's explore some final touches to elevate your Cajun feast even further. Section 6. Enhancing the experience, elevating your Cajun feast. While the Cajun crab boil is a complete meal on its own, a few thoughtful additions can enhance the dining experience. These additions not only complement the flavors, but also add variety and texture to your meal, making it even more enjoyable. First, crusty bread. Serve crusty bread alongside the crab boil to soak up the flavorful broth. The bread acts as a perfect sponge, capturing all the rich and spicy juices that make the dish so special. This is a must-have for any Cajun meal, ensuring no drop of that delicious sauce goes to waste. Plus, it adds a satisfying crunch that contrasts beautifully with the tender seafood. Next, ice-cold beverages. Nothing complements the spiciness of a Cajun feast like ice-cold beverages. These drinks not only refresh your palate but also help balance the heat from the spices. Beer, lemonade, or even a simple iced tea are all excellent choices. Each of these drinks offers a unique way to cool down and enjoy the meal to its fullest. And finally, side salad. A light and refreshing side salad, such as a coleslaw or a green salad with a vinaigrette dressing, can help cut through the richness of the meal and offer a refreshing contrast. The crisp vegetables and tangy dressing provide a delightful counterpoint to the hearty seafood. Now that you have all the elements for a truly memorable Cajun feast, let's conclude with a final word of encouragement. Enjoy the process of creating and sharing this meal with loved ones, and savor every bite of your enhanced Cajun experience. Section 7. A final word. Embrace the Cajun spirit. The Cajun crab boil is more than just a recipe. It's an embodiment of Cajun culture, a celebration of bold flavors, fresh ingredients, and joyful gatherings. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty, embrace the mess, and savor every spicy, buttery bite. So gather your loved ones, put on your chef's hat, and experience the magic of a Cajun crab boil. You won't regret it.